Assalamualaikum. Let's know some important days in May. 1st May International Labour Day. 3rd May Press Freedom Day. 4th May Coal Miners Day. 4th May International Firefighters Day. 5th May World Laughter Day, first Sunday of May. 6th May International No Diet Day. 7th May World Athletics Day. 7th May World Asthma Day, first Tuesday of May. 8th May World Red Cross Day. 8th May World Thalassemia Day. 11th May National Technology Day. 12th May International Nurse Day. 12th May World Mother's Day. 15 May International Day of Families. 16 May National Dengue Day. 16 May International Day of Light. 17 May World Telecommunication Day. 17 May World Hypertension Day. 17 May National Endangered Species Day, 3rd Friday in May. 18 May World AIDS Vaccine Day. 18 May International Museum Day. 21st May National Anti-Terrorism Day. 24th May National Brothers Day. 25th May Africa Independence Day. 28th May Yom-e-Takbir. Pakistan became Islamic world first atomic power. 31st May Anti-Tobacco Day. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.